Hey, Dr. Meister here with the Joint Chiropractic in Darien. Today I'll be talking about headaches. I'll be answering some of the more common questions that we have that we receive from patients, and also talk about how chiropractic can help you if you happen to suffer from headaches. The most common headache type that we see here at the clinic is they're called tension headaches. It feels like there is a band of pressure around your head. You can sometimes feel the pounding in your temples as well. And sometimes the muscles of your neck and upper shoulder can feel tight and stiff as well. We also see migraine headaches in patients, and that's usually affecting one side of the face. You might have sensitivity to light or sound with that, and it's pretty debilitating to the point where the only relief you get is from lying down in a dark room with the sound off. There's also cluster headaches. Those are a little bit more rare. That's when you feel pain around your eye. And there's sinus headaches as well. When you're sick, sometimes you feel that pressure around your sinuses. Headaches are pretty complicated to figure out exactly what causes it because there's a lot of different triggers that can cause your headache. Your diet, your family history, whether or not your parents had headaches, how much sleep you're getting, how much water you're drinking, caffeine intake, your posture at work. This is probably the number one issue that we're seeing with our patients. The demands of modern life has you sitting in a head forward position a lot of times in front of a screen. This puts a lot of strain on the muscles of your neck, and we refer to these types of headaches as cervicogenic, meaning that the headache is originating or starting in your neck. When you come in as a patient to one of our clinics, the first thing to do is to diagnose what type of headache are you having. After we've done that, we can try to identify what causes your headaches. And after that, we can provide some treatments for you. Typically, we will adjust your neck region, your upper back. This will give relief to some of those stiff muscles, loosen up any of the restrictions in the joints, and make you feel a little bit better. We will also discuss your diet, your caffeine, water intake, and talk about those things. We'll talk about ergonomics at work. How are you sitting? How are you standing at your posture? And we'll send you home with some exercises and stretches that you can do to hopefully prevent the headaches from reoccurring.